Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a quick tidy in Jackson's room. It's actually not even a quick tidy, more than I'm just going to be moving some things around in his room. With my mom being sick, every so often my oldest daughter will come and stay with us for a couple of days. It's not her norm because normally when she comes to town she stays with friends and she just comes over for visits and then just goes on about her business. But with my mom being here, we do have to make room and accommodations for people as they come in and out. So what we're going to be doing is moving one of the dressers in Jackson's room so that we can put the rollout bed flush against the wall. So I just thought you guys might like to come along with us as we make those few couple changes in his room. And prayerfully it all works out. We will see. But again, come along with us as we make some changes. So this room continues to bother my entire spirit every day of life. And Jaxon is not the best housekeeper in the world. Probably not the best housekeeper in a couple of places. Anywho, so we're going to move his bed off a little bit to put his nightlight back there because he still uses that, which is totally fine. And we're going to make some adjustments here. But I want to move this bed on that side wall, so we're going to move this dresser over here behind the door. Now that doesn't seem like the best place because then we won't be able to open the door all the way, but honestly he never keeps his door open, period. It always stays closed and we try to keep the dog out of here, so that's why we keep it that way. So we're going to put it in this space right here. Prayerfully it will work just for the time being so that we can actually have some additional walking space. So Jaxon and I are going to take a few minutes. We have all of these trophies to try to figure out. So I'm either going to have Handy Mandy come in and build a platform on top where we can put some trophies on top, or we're going to move his bed up and then we'll put the dresser inside of here and we'll try to do maybe a low shelf for some trophies. I do need to paint this room. I don't like the paint that they use because it's just a flat. So the next time I get ready to paint, we're going to use a, look at this guy. Do your cool stance, buddy. That's my, hey, I'm just living my best life. Anywho, so I'm going to use like more of a satin finish or semi something, because I want to be able to wash the walls if I need to. Right now I'm not at that point, so you see every little stain, every little thing, but I'm not painting. So anywho, we're just going to do that real quick, move some things around and get this room squared away. Boy, bye. Not a snake or a lizard. Not today, devil. Oh, I'm sorry. Not today. No, ma'am. Sam. that we are done. So we just moved that dresser out so we could put this roller bed over on the side. It actually is great because now if he had, you know, company or whatever that came over for a sleepover, we now have a place that's not the floor for somebody to sleep. We just put that at the end of his bed. We made his bed, praise God. We just went ahead and vacuumed up the floor, and then we put the dresser right here behind the door. So it actually didn't take that much space away from having the door open, and that just makes better sense because that's a useless wall. We have not used that at all. And I may actually see if Mandy can put some floating shelves up and then a couple shelf above his door. That way some of the smaller trophies we can go ahead and put up there as well. So we still have plenty of floor space, which I do like to have for them in case they wanted to be able to walk around and do some things. So anywho, there is just a quick tidy. I think at max that probably took us 20 minutes. And that was just because y'all saw me struggling trying to move that dresser. So 20 minutes is all it takes sometimes to give a space a new facelift or an update. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.